I just attended Brandy Hooker Evans' workshop, which was one of the best educational experiences I have had. In 3 short hours, we went on a journey. Now, this workshop is called Ignite, Engage, and Monetize, Creating a Stellar Tribe. And the idea here is that as a dental entrepreneur, there is importance in having a community and building a community. And so Brandy takes us through the journey of determining what format or what type of a meeting or what type of offering would we want to have that could help us grow our community. So I chose a study club. And as we went through this process, in just a couple of hours, I have like 2 pages of notes, solid, with a full action plan. I know the objective of this club. I know the title. I know the topics that we will be presenting. I know the guest, when the days and times and formats of the meetings. I know everything I need to know in order to reach out and find sponsorship so that these club sessions can be fully sponsored and allow my attendees to attend at no fee, and to be able to cover all of our expenses through the sponsorship, and then a little bit more to help pay for my time. I know the technology that I'll need, the platform. I understand administratively what's going to need to happen. I mean, literally everything I'm looking at my notes, and everything. And I'm just saying to myself as we wrapped up this session, wow, this is so effective. And Brandy is masterful at reading her audience, seeing if we have questions, checking in with us, answering our questions, and then getting us back on track to where we need to be by the end of our time. I just want to say to Brandy, well done. And I am so excited to include this workshop in our fellowship program with Dental Speaker Institute. And so for all of my speaking and consulting colleagues out there, I highly encourage you to check out Ignite, Energize, Monetize, Creating a Stellar Tribe. You can learn more. I'll put the link in below in my post, but you can also learn more at brandyhookerevans.com, I believe is the website. I should have looked. Yeah, brandyhookerevans.com, and go under the seminars tab, attend a workshop. You won't be sorry. Do it. Time and money well spent. What you can spin off from this will be exponential as far as the growth in your community, and also financially compared to the cost of this workshop. It is a no-brainer. Go do it. Thank you again, Brandy. It was fabulous.